America wants to crash gold and silver. That's what 99% of the influencers are saying. But that rest 1% which is saying it is complete bullshit, that is completely true. Now, why is that? For that, we would need to understand the whole China, CME and the US game with this silver. First, China is not banning 90% of the exports. They have just introduced a licensing system for 44 companies that will only affect the 60 to 70% of the refined silver that they control. This is not a ban on silver mines, not a proper ban. Coming on the most important part, where every influencer is saying this is how they try to crash silver prices. CME, how they increased their margins. See, what CME is trying to do is just control the volatility in the market. That is literally their job. That is what they do. By all means, they don't want to get into any geopolitics or any, motive of crashing the silver prices. All they want to do is control the volatility like they've done it in the past multiple times. And also people saying America wants to crash gold and silver. See, if this is a thing they're trying to do, they have failed miserably. So please stop buying influencer FOMO. Yes, I've told you multiple times there can be a correction and consolidation in the silver market. It needs to cool down a bit before the next leg, before the next rally. But saying that a country specifically wants the prices to be dropped, that is just complete bullshit again. So please do your own research and don't forget to leave out your analysis in the comments down below.